She did an amazing job for us. Give us a sense of what you're feeling this morning.
Well, it was all positive for me. I think it's a tremendous historical event, and for the pandemic, we know everyone knows what the cost of it and human lives and things. And I think the fact that we were able to offer the first vaccine today to everyone, I think it's a positive historical event, and I'm so proud to be able to kind of contribute to that positive step towards stopping this pandemic.
And how are you feeling at 6:30 when we administered the vaccines? Because it's a big job, because you've got all the cameras here, the world's media watching you. You're an experienced nurse, been here for what, 24 years working?
24 years I've started my nursing career. But I've been here in this trust for 17 years, ever since I came to the country. So yes, but I have had a lot of experience in terms of injections and IMs and flu jabs. I've given a couple of hundred a few months ago. So I've had lots of practice in the 20 years career I have. So so it's just going back and stepping back and making sure that I follow the policy, do all the right things for the patient, make sure that she's safe and comfortable, and then and that's it really. I think it's the afterwards that's kind of a bit overwhelming.
Well, thankfully all went well. Margaret's now, she's safe, well, she's hopefully going to go home later on today. Yes. And Piers and Susanna were talking earlier on at 7 o'clock, just want to pay tribute really to all the Filipino nurses that work in the NHS.
Yes.
We're so dependent and thankful for your contribution.
So I'm really glad to be telling all the Filipinos in this country and everywhere in the world that we can make a difference, and we do our positive contributions to humanity, as it were, kind of thing. So I think it's a historical event for Filipinos all across the globe, for making sure that we are proud of what we've achieved and what we kind of contribute to everyone, really, and the care that we give. So yeah, I'm very proud to be saying to everyone that I'm a Filipino British today, making history.
Mate, thanks very much for all your work. I need you to go and have a cup of tea.
Yes.
She hasn't stopped working all morning. Thank you so much for everything you've done this morning.
Yes, thank
and for
you
your
so
whole career here. Thank you so much. You're going to have a cup of tea. Grateful to have her.
What a moment. What a piece of history. Great question, Swaney. Because that was a big moment. I can tell you, the Philippines, they'll be going crazy in the Philippines about the fact it's a Filipino nurse who has actually administered the first COVID-19 vaccine jab. So a huge moment for the NHS, huge moment for the UK, but also a huge moment for the Philippines. You send so many fantastic people here to work in our health system.